Hello guys, this is Autosocials and today I'm going to show you how you can join a Zoom meeting really easy and really quick. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So once you get a link to join a Zoom meeting, what you need to do is just copy it or click on it, and it should open up a Google page with the invite link. So what I'm going to do is just paste an invite link right here, the one that you copied, or just you also have the option of clicking it. And once I've done this, you can see right here my screen should look like this with this open Zoom meetings. And just click on open Zoom meetings, and as you can see right here, it took me to the Zoom app on that certain meeting. In this case is my own meeting, but in your case it's just going to be the meeting that you want to join and that you have the link for. And yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. It's really easy, it's really simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.